right, guys, for breakfast today, Demi already ate some of hers. We got our Tiffany plates, all three of us. We got peppers, pickled eggs, pickles, what are these called? Dates, olives, cheese.
Hey, where are my dates? Oh, right here.
Bretta.
If you like Kaylee.
Blackberry, Brussels sprouts, strawberries, blueberries, cherries, a little bit of fig jam, carrots. The fuck is this? Corn. Cucumber,
Apples.
sausage, apples,
Olives.
Kayla,
Baby
bro.
bell.
I already said that, bro. And cottage cheese and mustard. Yeah, bon appetit.